है ना. Women have now become more assertive for their rights, for their financial needs after the globalization. ठीक है. That's why gender budgeting was not before there in India, before globalization, before 1990. It is a process started after 2000 when the impact. देखो 2005 तुम लोग ने बता दिया, अभी लोग सर्च कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है. 2005 में ये स्टार्ट हुआ. तुम लोग देखोगे वीमेन से रिलेटेड जो ज्यादातर एक्ट्स हैं वो सब 2000 या 1990 के बाद ही क्यों बनाए गए, कभी सोचते हो? हाँ. After LPG reform, globalization, women have now financially become independent. They are now giving financial advice to their family members. Even they are supporting their family financially. So they have become more assertive for their rights. So they are demanding schemes for their empowerment. They are demanding the portion of budget for their empowerment. So you will see many acts after LPG reform. For example, Domestic Violence Act 2005. Sexual Harassment Prevention Act 2013, Hindu Marriage Succession Act 2005, Triple Talaq after 2000, 2022, Sabrimala Temple Movement after 2000, है ना. Maternity Benefit Act Amendment. Maternity Benefit Act was passed in 1961, but amendment was done in 2019. So you can see a pattern here कि after LPG reform, women have become more assertive for their rights. So now they are demanding schemes, part of budget for their empowerment. So this is the result of globalization and the empowerment of women. Now women have become more empowered. For them, their pati is no more a devta. ठीक है. That's why divorce rate is also increasing in India. Even divorce rate is less because of the social stigma associated with the divorce. Now women are also living in separation after marriage. They do not want to continue their marriage and they cannot take divorce due to social stigma. So now they are living in separation from their husband. Separation rate is double than divorce rate. Even though both are increasing, but separation is double than divorce. So moral of the story is either amend yourself for the male aspirants, or you will face the consequences of being a divorcee or being a separated husband. Because women are now more assertive for their rights. They cannot tolerate a piyakkad pati or devta pati. No, that's reality. So it's good. It's good for the society also. There are many social evils associated with the women which can be eradicated now. No? क्लियर है. तो या तो अपने आप को सुधारो या तो पत्नी सुधार देगी, और नहीं सुधार पाएगी तो तुमसे डिवोर्स ले लेगी. डिवोर्स नहीं ले पाएगी तो अलग रहेगी. सिंपल है. क्योंकि अब तुम देखो ना 1990 के बाद क्या हो रहा है. ये बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपनियों के आने का एक प्रभाव है. क्लियर है.